Hey guys, this is the 8-paneled fence. This is super heavy duty and we are going to put these outside because we have a litter of puppies and pretty soon they're going to be able to go outside and walk around the grass, but I want to make sure that they are not getting into any plants in the backyard. We came perfectly packaged, all ready to go. It is quite heavy. It does have a carry handle at the top, so if you do need to store it and put it away, it came with these straps that you slide right through. And then you can reattach when you need to put it away for storage. And we don't always need these gates out, typically just when we have puppies that are going around the backyard. So I'm gonna take all these off for now and we're gonna go set these up. Let's go set it up. So we're gonna bring these together and all you do is slide it in the top, slide it in there. You're just gonna kind of like weave it through. Easy. And then if you wanted this to stay put in the ground and not move at all, if you've got some bigger dogs, push it right down in there. And now it's secure and stuck to the ground. How cool is that? This is where your puppies are gonna go. Come here. Come here. You got 2 gates, you can put 1 on each side. Come here. There's one this side. Come here. Oh, you want to go out there? Come here. Come right here. So you can fit dogs in here. I can put the puppies in here. I can also put this in my home and make sure that if I don't want some of the kids to be in where the puppies are, I can make sure that we have this set up just as a barricade to make sure that your toddler's not going in where the puppies are. So this is great. I love it. I can make sure that they are secure. It comes with a bunch of different sized panels, so you can get as many as you need. If you've got a small dog and you don't need this many panels, get the smaller one. But this is incredible. I'm so impressed with it. I love it. 10% of your profit, of the profit of these sales, goes to help stray dogs. Love this. So cool. We're gonna take it inside. Over there get bigger. We are gonna like section off our house so that we make sure that they have more room to play. So we'll take that slat off, but we're gonna lay towels and pee pads down here because we don't want them going all over the house. We want to give them a little bit more access as they grow. And so you can use this fence and put it to your specifications, whatever shape you want it in. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's incredibly easy to move and rearrange. Done. These stakes do not let it move. So that's a wonderful effect of that, because I need to make sure that they can't push this out of the way as they get bigger. All right, we've got the puppies all set up in here. How cute are they? You guys are not thrilled being behind a gate, huh? But you're cute. Yes, you are. I know. They look like little doll babies. You guys, it's perfect. They can't climb it. They can't move it. I just love it. Now, when we do let them out to play, it is such an easy pull up, pull out, and then they can come join us. Ha. Jesus. And it's low enough where they can step over it. But it keeps my home safe and my rug safe from them peeing on it. So cool.